Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.com. Best practices for smoke testing. Smoke testing is a trusted way to identify major bugs in software builds at all stages of development. Following industry best practices is the best way to ensure that your smoke tests are efficient, accurate, and productive. 1. Run smoke tests often. It's not always possible to run smoke tests every day, especially if you're running manual tests rather than automated smoke tests. Run smoke tests as often as you can and every time you're implementing changes to your software. Once you're able to, running daily smoke tests is considered best practice. 2. Never skip testing stages. If you're in a hurry, it might be tempting to skip some of the testing stages to progress faster in the development process, but both smoke and regression testing are essential to keeping your development on track. Always test your builds with smoke and sanity testing before moving on to the next stage. 3. Test every change. There is no single application for smoke testing. You can and should use smoke tests to test every change that you make to a software build and to test your software between different stages of development. Smoke tests should be the precursor to integration testing, performance testing, and functional testing. 4. Track your test results. It's standard practice to test the results of a formal smoke test, but even when carrying out informal smoke tests, engineers should keep some record of the results. This makes it easier to pass the results back to developers and keep track of which features are failing the test. 5. Run your smoke test twice. Running your smoke test twice might seem like overkill, but if you really want to catch every bug during your test, it's best to run it twice. This ensures that your smoke test has every chance to catch major bugs and issues that could cause further problems if not fixed immediately. 6. Choose the right type of smoke test. Whether you should use manual or automated smoke testing depends on the size and needs of your team. Make sure that you choose the best testing type for your project to optimize efficiency without compromising on the accuracy of your results. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.